Welcome back to the Wicked Kitchen. Today, we're gonna make a cocktail. It's been a long day's shoot. It is time to have a drink. So, we are going to make a Sarno Sazerac. It's our take on a Sazerac, which is a traditional whiskey drink, but we are infusing the whiskey. So, stay tuned, you don't wanna miss this, and especially if you like cocktails, you'll enjoy this as well. So, we have some rye whiskey here. I'm going to score the vanilla bean. All right, so I'm just gonna score it by dragging the knife down. Okay, it's opening up the vanilla bean. I'm gonna just drop those in. Okay, and what that does is that opens up the flavor a little bit. I have this Sarno anise, which I'm gonna have to break to get in the bottle. All right, and Sarno anise is going to really bring out some sweetness and also spice that's going on in this whiskey. So with all infusions, what I like to do is I'll keep it overnight, anywhere from 12 to 24 hours. That's a good starting point. And then they can just stay infused. You know, you can keep those whole spices in there, and it only concentrates more as it sits. So I'm gonna set this aside for, overnight. We'll come back and we'll finish it off, yeah? All right, so this has been infused for about 12 hours overnight. All right, and it has a ton of flavor. It really picks up the alcohol, really picks up that spice from the Sarno anise and also the vanilla. So first thing we're gonna do, you can use coconut sugar or brown sugar. I'm gonna start off with, I'm going to just add this to a shaker. I'm gonna make a couple of these, so I'm gonna add 4 ounces, all right? Make 2 of these. Let's go a little heavy, right? All right. We're going to add also about a teaspoon and a half per 2 ounces. All right, I'm just gonna stir that. I'm gonna stir that until that brown sugar dissolves, all right? And then I'm gonna add in the ice, I'm gonna add in the bitters, and we'll get it nice and cold. Now that that sugar is dissolved, I'm going to add some ice. I want to get this nice and cold. I'm going to do about 3 or 4 dashes per drink. All right. Going to get that nice and cold. So our other brother, Darren, lives out in Hawaii. He is a mixologist. He was a bartender for many, many years. Super creative with drinks. He's the one that did all the cocktails in our book. And he does infusions all the time. And this is something that was definitely a signature cocktail in the Wicked Healthy cookbook. So I'm doing about 20 to 30 turns there. All right, let's pour that. Let's grab our glass. And here we go. Let's get this nice tall pour. Oh, that looks good. That is a full. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and now add a lemon swath. So I'm gonna just slice this just to get most of the peel. You can use a peeler to do this as well, but. All right, what I like to do is I like to twist it, and you're getting a little bit of essential oil from the lemon, rub it around the rim, and then we are good here. This is going to be an amazing drink. So there you have it, a Sarno Sazerac, you guys, ice cold, infused rye whiskey with some vanilla beans, some Sarno anise, some brown sugar in there, and a lemon swath. Great way to finish the day, you guys. All right, if you like this recipe, be sure to subscribe, check out the rest of our videos on this channel, and definitely try out this recipe. You won't be disappointed. Till next time, you guys. Oh, great way to finish a shoot right there. All right, if you like this recipe, do you really like it?